Hi, this is Kenny Ingram, and I'm here to share with you a Bitcoin opportunity that I believe is awesome. They're called InfinityTrafficBoost. You go to their URL, and this is the login or register page. So if you click on a link and it brings you to this page, you just click on register and register your account, enter your email. But what I'd like to do is share with you what it actually is. First of all, it is a traffic exchange, so you get effective advertising where they show whatever website you wish to promote in the traffic exchange. You get paid Satoshis every time you surf and watch other people's advertisements. Then if you're an advertiser, they have advertising packages that start at a little over $2 and anywhere up to 1 full Bitcoin. But advertisers are rewarded a 50% commission. If you're just a surfer, you're actually making 30% off of any advertisers that you bring in, or if you're an advertiser yourself, you make anywhere from 30 to 80%. Plus, you can request an instant payout on your available balance in Bitcoin. And since it works off of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, it is worldwide, which means you can promote it to anybody worldwide and they'll be able to participate as long as they have Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum or Litecoin. And of course, they have a program where you can make 3.24 Bitcoin, which is right now a little over $20,000 in 51 days, by just surfing 100 sites a day for the first 30 days and getting 4 other people involved. I'll go into more detail into that in a little bit, but that creates a recurring income. So those of you that understand what a recurring income is can appreciate that you will be receiving an income from infinite width and infinite depth from all the people that you introduce into this program. So you can go down and read the questions here, or you can actually sign up using our link. And then once you're signed in, you can share your link on Facebook, Twitter, Stumble, Reddit, Dig. So we're just going to click done. And then from the dashboard, they have introduction videos. It shows that we are a tier 6 member, that we have 10 surfer reward pool shares earned from yesterday, and that total pages surfed 101. And then they give you a little affiliate link, and they have it set up so that when you click on it, it automatically copies it to the clipboard, so you don't have to worry about dragging and dropping. And so let's go over how it works. Click on the how it works. It gives you a little video that you can watch that explains advertising credits. So basically what they're saying here is that there's 3 levels. You have your purchase boost activated level, you have your surf boost activated level, and your commission boost activated level, which is where you receive your advertising credits. They've got videos further down that explain that, but once you do your surfing of 10 sites per day, you are surf boost activated. If you purchase an advertising package, then you are purchase boost activated, and once you have both of those activated, you are now commission boost activated. They have packages they call the TPO packages, and it starts with TPO 1 all the way through 11, I think, and depending on what package you have depends on what kind of advertising credits you'll earn, anywhere from 30 to 80%. So for example, if you purchase a TPO activation or TPO advertising package of TPO 6, then you will receive advertising credits from the levels below 6 and the one above it, TPO 7. So if you buy a TPO 7, you'll also receive the TPO 8 credits as well. So let's go further into another one of the videos. Okay, so this video actually describes the different plans of becoming Purchase Boost activated. And the way to get there is to click on Buy TPOs. And you can actually start with the lowest TPO by surfing and earning credits for surfing, and then purchase the TPO out of your surfing credits. They have a package for each TPO level. TPO 1, you get 2 ad campaigns, which means you can advertise 2 websites. You get paid 80% commissions up to TPO 2, and then maximum daily surfer rewards is 12 surfing rewards. So you can see the benefit of coming in on a higher level. If you're, for example, at TPO 7, you would get 8 websites that you could promote, plus you get 80% advertising commissions from those that you sign up under you up to TPO level 8. Instead of having to surf every day, you have an 11-day grace period before you have to surf. This TPO 1 has a 2-day grace period. So I hope that makes sense. Let me see what else we can find down here. Okay. TPO package 1 is for 30 days. You get 80% up to 80% commissions for your package, which expires in 30 days. Then you'll have to renew it. It's $1.82 right now at today's price for 30 days. Then they have other packages that go all the way up to 2 years. 8 years. Package 11 is for 8 years, or 1 Bitcoin, $6,981. You can work your way up to it. So we actually purchased TPO option 6, which is good for 80 days. It cost us $55 in Bitcoin. We get 80% commissions up to anybody that joins up to TPO package 7, and all the other benefits of being a purchase activated member. So let's go back to the dashboard. I think there's one more video that we want to share, or how it works. And we'll scroll down. We did the first 2 videos. Okay, this third video. This video basically describes Surfing Boost activation. And basically at the free level, you have to surf every day. You get for every 10 pages that you surf, you get a portion of this surfing profit pool, and the higher the TPO level that you have purchased in advertising, the less days you have to surf. For example, TPO 1 shows you have to surf every 2 days, all the way up to TPO 10 you have to surf every 25 days. So this is a good video to watch that describes the Surfing Boost activation. Let's scroll down some more and see what the next video is. Actually, it goes into the compensation plan. This is an important one because it shows you how you're going to make your money. Okay, you should watch this video to get a full explanation. But basically, you can promote as many people on your first level as you want to infinity. As far as going down, you get paid on your first referral and then pass up your second one. Your second one will go to the sponsor that you were brought in under. So once you promote to your first level and they promote, then their second pass up goes to you. And this video describes what pass ups are, but basically that gives you the ability to earn pass ups from everybody underneath you as well as your width. The earnings are incredible. We highly advise you to sign up using the link below and get into the members area and go to help and training. You can go to the frequently asked questions area, and describes all about advertising, Bitcoin, and the commission plan and earnings. And we are actually promoting as well, so we will help you. If you're listening to this on Facebook, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified of any other videos that we upload to this channel. We look forward to making large amounts of Bitcoin and showing you how to do that. Bless you.